pizza market is a very fast-moving market, and we're finding that one of the biggest challenges is keeping up with the needs and the demands of the customer, understanding how they want to engage with Domino's as a digital brand, whether that's the responsive website or the mobile application, but also what kind of features they need, what are they looking for in terms of how they place an order. So there's a few different elements there that we're trying to kind of better cover with our customer and engage with them in a stronger way to make that engagement with Domino's that much more fulfilling and an enjoyable experience. The biggest reason for us to partner with New Relic is that the New Relic platform offers us an excellent insight into how our applications are operating in the real world, for us to measure the health of our system, but also to enable us to bring together both the technical elements of an e-commerce platform, but also correlate in business factors, for example, things like conversion, page load times, which directly correlate with conversion factors or how satisfying an online experience would be. We've found getting up and going with New Relic really easy. I think it's called auto magic in some of the terms that New Relic use themselves, and I think that's a quite effective term to describe that experience. It really is quite seamless. The one word I'd use to describe New Relic is visualization. There really is a powerful visualization tool, especially with insights, to allow us to make the right decisions not only for our business but for our customers.